Are there any tricks to hair growth?
Hell no, there are no tricks to hair growth. The only trick to hair growth is identifying your texture. Because the archaic approach to hair care, the one size fits all approach, but when you start to identify your texture about what it is, you can dispel those myths and start to be like, oh, your hair grows if you are a woman who has a kinky or coily type 4, 3C texture, which happens to be the most versatile texture, is when you will start to understand your hair and start to then see the growth. So say for instance, you go naturally and the goal is not to lock your hair. Then the most important thing that you should know is that wash and go styling done frequently keeps your hair healthy, because all you're doing is co-washing with conditioner. It's simply defined by incorporating your entire hair care and styling routine in your shower routine. So gone is the notion as a woman of color, someone who has kinkier, coily hair, that you can get in the shower and destroy your hair. No, you can actually get in the shower and rinse and condition, wash it behind, rinse all that conditioner out, put a styling product in, shake and go. But let that happen every day. If you shower twice a day, it's even better. But try letting your hair sit in a wash and go style for 3, 4, 5 days. What does it naturally want to do? What is that texture naturally doing? It's starting to lock up. And you can find all the reasons and just be as proud as you want to say, I don't need to do with my wash and go, but every once a week, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so then this doesn't apply to you and your hair is growing like crazy. But if you are having a problem with growth and leaving wash and go styles in for multiple days at a time, there's a reason. The longer your hair gets, the more fragile and older it gets. I call this hair down here, the longer hair, right about here, if you can't get it to go past here, I call that elderly hair. That hair has been there forever. And the longer it gets and the less attention it gets, the more fragile that hair texture gets. So please don't do protective styles, whether they're blowouts, ponytails, braids, wigs, or weaves. Please don't put any of those styles in your hair for longer than 3 to 4 weeks, or don't do a twist out or blowout or a braid out without blowing your hair out with tons of leave-in conditioner and your favorite oils. Because if you try to do those twist outs, braid outs, or anything else on wet kinky hair, once that water evaporates, those strands are now bunched up again. Listen, the ideal is to really have a love affair with your hair. And if you haven't fully embraced it, like that $900 cashmere sweater that you purchased, then it's gonna love you the way you love it, half-assed. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe, and so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.